Welcome. I am Lancelot Gooden, Dean of the Building, Engineering, and Skilled Trades Guided Career Pathway. Our department provides access to a variety of options for you to achieve a post-secondary degree and your career attainment goals. We provide short and long-term programs and university transfer options within our department designed to accelerate your momentum to high-demand, high-paying careers for seamless transfer to a bachelor's degree at a four-year university. Within Building, Engineering, and Skilled Trades, we have a diverse team of staff, faculty, and directors whose commitment to student success and passion for their work permeates through their very DNA. We are committed to enhance the empowerment of America's skills-based workforce, change the perception of the skill-based world, equip you with the skills and knowledge for the future, and get you back to work in meaningful jobs or place you on a trajectory to your dream, to make your dream a reality. You will now hear from each of our amazing leaders about their fascinating program areas designed to prepare you for advanced credentials, university transfer, and career advancement. Be prepared for an exciting sneak peek into our meta major. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Muffy Vestal, and I'm the program director for the Associate in Engineering degree. Durham Tech offers a pathway for students to begin engineering studies with us and then transfer to one of the 5 public engineering programs in North Carolina. That's where you will complete your bachelor's in engineering degree. Those transfer universities are NC State, NC-A&T, East Carolina, UNC Charlotte, and Western Carolina. We offer project-based learning. We have industry experienced engineering instructors, small class size, and have fascinating extracurricular activities, if I could say that, some of which are associated with NASA. Our engineering students are a diverse group with rich cultural backgrounds from around the world. Plan a site visit where you will see our new engineering labs and our technology-filled makerspace under construction. Just say Muffy sent you. Thank you.
Hello and welcome. I am Nate Smith, the Director of Automotive. I constantly get phone calls like this. Who have you got, Nate? Because we are hiring. These calls come to me from hiring managers all over North Carolina, and particularly from Durham and Orange County. Managers are anxiously waiting to hire folks from Durham Tech. There is a place for everyone in the Durham Tech Automotive program. Women and men can find a career or a second career in the automotive industry. Our youngest students come from the local high schools at about age 16, and we have had adult students in their 70s. All students who have gone through the automotive program to date have been offered employment. We take students who might not even know how to put fuel in a vehicle and prepare them to become entry-level technicians, service advisors, service managers, or an automotive parts professional. The entire program can be completed in about 2 to 3 years. We also offer a diploma and some certificates and standalone courses that can be completed in only 16 weeks. Our diversity of automotive instruction assures success for everyone interested in an automotive career. Come join us at Durham Tech because automotive is hiring.
So you want to work in the architectural field, do you? Well, good. The architectural industry needs you. My name is Rick Lawrence. I'm the program director and instructor for the Architectural Technology program. The program takes individuals with little to no experience in both construction or architecture and teaches them the necessary skills to work in the ever-changing field of architecture. From introduction to drafting standards and construction methods to utilizing both AutoCAD and Revit software in the production of working drawings, the program provides you the instruction and technology needed to be successful and industry. Our adjunct instructors have all been where you are right now. They've graduated from the program and are working in the field and have come back to help our students. We are a student-centric group of instructors. We want you to succeed. If you're interested in architecture, Durham Tech Architectural Technology program is here to get you where you want to go. I invite you to reach out to me with further questions, and I hope to see you in class. Thank you.
Hello, and welcome to Durham Tech. My name is Lawrence Burt-Russell. I'm the program director and instructor for the Biomedical Equipment Technology program. This is a 2-year program leading to an associate in applied science degree. So what is a biomedical equipment technician? He or she is an electronics engineering technician specialized in the installation, operation, troubleshooting, diagnosis and repair of all instrumentation used in the healthcare delivery system. The topics we cover in the class include instructions on medical instrumentation design, calibration, testing, system safety checks, and maintenance procedures. Durham Tech has strong ties with the local hospitals with supports in the form of technical guidance on internship opportunities. Job opportunities are great in North Carolina right now. I'm currently in touch with the hospitals in the Triangle looking to employ our graduates. You can be trained and ready in 2 years, so don't wait. Come and join us at Durham Tech. Biomedical Equipment Technology program is a great career choice with outstanding job opportunities for many years to come. Thank you.
Everybody, thanks for joining us today. My name is Roy Stallings, and I'm the Director Instructor of Computer Integrated Machining. Machinists are in demand in a fast-growing job market. Machinists are the backbone of the manufacturing industry. Everyone is welcome to learn this exciting career path. The minimum requirement is a high school diploma or GED. If you like working with your hands, making things, being creative, this is the career path for you. High school juniors and seniors are welcome and encouraged to apply through our Career and College Promise program. Take machining classes while earning your high school diploma. After 1 year, you'll be prepared to go to work as an entry-level machinist. Students can learn shop safety, manual and computer program machinery, blueprint reading, and much more. This is hands-on training. It's not just reading out of a book. This is not just a job, it's a career. Contact Roy Stallings to get your career started in computer integrated machining today. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mariah Smith, Assistant Dean of Building Engineering and Skilled Trades. There are many job opportunities in construction, and the demand is growing. We will always need people with technical skills to repair, install, and build in our community. Our construction trades courses take people with little to no experience and teach them the skills necessary to safely work in trades such as plumbing, HVAC, carpentry, welding, and more. Each course is standalone or can be packaged together, whatever you choose depending on your goals. Packaged courses would look something like plumbing's level 1, 2, and 3, or HVAC, heating and cooling. We also offer certifications, short-term workshops, and apprenticeships. Most courses run 8 to 16 weeks or are a 1 to 2 day certification or workshop. If you're interested in hands-on training, learning a trade, and finding a job in the trades, check out our website for more offerings or reach out to my team with further questions. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mike Stutz. I'm one of the instructors for the Electrical Line Technician program. The Electrical Line Technician program is an 11-week course and is designed to train persons that wish to become entry-level electric line technicians for private and public utility companies. At this time, grants will cover the tuition for this program. Our class schedule is 8:30 to 4, Monday through Friday, for 11 weeks at the Northern Durham Center. This program provides a mix of classroom and outdoor hands-on instruction. Students will get a real experience using industrial certified trucks and equipment. Students will also acquire practical knowledge of skills about the elements of basic electricity, overhead pole and electrical line construction, safety codes and applications, transformer and meter installation. In addition to these certifications of completion, students will also gain an OSHA 10 certification, American Red Cross First Aid, CPR, AED certification, American Traffic Safety Services Associated Flag certification. The requirements for this program, the students cannot exceed 275 pounds, fully dressed with climbing boots. These limits are usually established by the manufacturers of the climbing equipment. Full-length pants and jeans, absence of tears and holes, long-sleeve shirts, and ability to lift 50 pounds. You must be comfortable with heights and climbing poles. So we look forward to seeing you, and we'll get you climbing to a new high of success. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is John Crutchfield, and I am the Program Director and Instructor for the Electrical Systems Technology Program. If you are interested in learning about electricity and receiving hands-on training in residential, commercial, and industrial wiring, as well as training in electrical maintenance, motor controls, and automation using PLC programming, then this is the right program for you here at Durham Tech. My instructors have many years of experience and are currently working in jobs performing installation and maintenance of electrical circuits, as well as wiring in new construction. You can count on their experience as well as mine to help you through my program. So what are you waiting for? Please join me soon to get your career started in the electrical field for an exciting and rewarding future. My program offers 5 credentials that you can choose from. Thank you.
Hello again, it's Laurent Berroussel. I'm also the Program Director and Instructor for the Electronics Engineering Technology program. This is also a 2 years program leading to an Associate in Applied Science degree. The Electronics Engineering Technology program provides theory and hands-on practice training in troubleshooting and repairing electronics equipment. Students also get training on circuit board assembly and soldering. Durham Tech Electronics Engineering program focuses on providing a broad background knowledge and set of skills, so our graduates can easily be trained for a specific job as electronics technicians. Graduates should qualify for employment as field service technicians, instrumentation technicians, maintenance technicians, electronic tester, bench technicians. Durham Tech has a strong tie with local companies with support in the form of technical guidance and internship opportunities. Like the Biomedical program, I'm currently in touch with companies in North Carolina looking to employ graduates. You can be trained and ready in 2 years, just 2 years. So don't wait. Come and join us at Durham Tech. Electronics Engineering Technology is a great career choice with outstanding job opportunities for many years to come. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's me again, Roy Stallings, and I'm also the Director of Industrial Systems Technology. Industrial Systems trains facilities maintenance technicians for building maintenance, apartment complexes, and much more. Maintenance technicians learn a variety of skills and are in demand. Everyone is welcome to learn this exciting career path. This is a 2-year associate degree program. The minimum requirement is a high school diploma or GED. If you like troubleshooting, fixing and repairing equipment, learning electrical and mechanical skills, and working with your hands, this is the career path for you. This program is open to high school juniors and seniors, as well as high school students are encouraged to apply through our Career and College Promise program. Earn your associate degree in industrial systems while earning your high school diploma. Students learn industrial safety, blueprint reading, HVAC, plumbing, and much more. We have hands-on training. This is not just a job, it's a career. Contact me, Roy Stallings, to get your career started in industrial systems facilities maintenance technician. Hello, it's me again, Roy Stallings, and I'm also the director of Welding Technology. Welders and welders helpers are in demand in a fast growing job market. Construction is everywhere and welders are needed. Everyone's welcome to learn this exciting career path. Again, the minimum requirement is a high school diploma or GED. If you like working with your hands and being creative, this is the career path for you. This program is also open to high school juniors and seniors, as well as students, and students are welcome to apply through our Career and College Promise program. Earn your welding certificate while earning your high school diploma. After 1 year, you will be prepared to go to work as an entry-level welder or welder's helper. Students learn shop safety, welding processes, blueprint reading for welders, and much more. Guys, this is a hands-on training program. It's not just a job, it's a career. Contact me, Roy Stallings, to get your career started in welding technology today. Thank you.
Now that you've heard from some of our finest leaders at Durham Tech, kindly engage with us through the chat feature to address any burning questions and take a program brochure from the swag bag to learn more about each program area. Welcome to Building and Engineering Skilled Trades Meta Major, where we are an innovation hub ready to serve you, our community. Thank you for joining us.